Do you want to create, manage all your events in the fastest, easiest, and most modern ways? Well, Webnew's Modern Events Calendar has got you covered. So let's not lose time and explore the plugin to its fullest. Now I'm on my WordPress website, and this is how Modern Events Calendar looks like there. So you can add events using Modern Events Calendar by either using Classic Editor or by using the wizard. So let's try out both of them. Let's first of all add an event using the Classic Editor. So here we will need to name our event. So let's say it's just dummy event 1. Here we need to write some description about our event, and the most important comes from here, which is the event details. So we will need to choose the date and time. So the start date, let's say, is let's say it's 4th of August. Then here we can customize the date and time. So let's say it's till 4 p.m. You can also otherwise choose the all day event option or hide event time if it's necessary. You can go to countdown method and count to event start so that your participants look forward to it. And then you can go to event repeating, and if this event is recurring event, then you can just mark this. Again, you will need to fill in some details about it. You can add some hourly schedule here, and of course the location and venue. So if it's an online meeting, then you can just hide the location or just don't show map in single event page, but then you can go to links, and here you can pass the online meeting links if, for example, you're doing it via Zoom or Google Meet. You can add organizers. You can insert a new organizer here. You will need to fill in some names here. So let's say Sam Smith, phone number, email address. You can also choose an image here, and you can add other organizers as well. Again, you can write the cost here. So let's say it's $20 or the currency that you use. And the event status, so it's scheduled. If we also go down, you can also write an optional summary of your content that would be used during your event. You can add some custom fields from here, and you can also choose some event colors. So let's say it's yellow, and then you will need to publish it. So you can also go and preview it and see how it looks like there. So here you can see the countdown, you can see the organizer name, and etc. You can see the QR. So let's now go and use the wizard. To use wizard to add an event, you will simply need to go down here to wizard, click on it, and this dashboard will appear on your screen. So from here you will just need to click on add event, and let's name our event. So let's say it's self-care appreciation. Then we will need to select the color, so let's say blue. We will need, of course, to customize the date and time, so let's say it's on 6th of August. Again, the time. You can also mark as all day event from here. Add location, so let's say it's Holiday Inn, and the city is New York. You can also add some specifics. Otherwise, you can see that Modern Events Calendar will add the location itself. Let's go next, and here we can add an organizer from here. So let's say it's Ann Smith. You can introduce their email address or any page if they have about their career, etc. You can also choose an image. You can add a category right from here as well, just inside this dashboard. For example, let's say self-care appreciation. Then now we are we can add this category, and here you can see it. So you can mark both of them. Let's go next, and here we will need to write some sort of description about our event, and here we can set a featured image. So let's add this. Select and next, and now we can view our event or create a new event. So here is our event. Here we have an organizer. Here we have the location, we have the time, and we have the countdown as well. If you go back to this initial dashboard, here you can see that you can also add shortcuts. So once you click here, let's choose some of the details. Let's first of all name our shortcut. So it is the event page. So first of all, we will need to choose some views from here. So we've got various options. I will choose this grid view. If we go next, here we've got also some options. I think with this one with featured images are good. Here we can see that you can choose either to open it with the current window or add a new one, or just as a pop-up. So I will go on with this new window. We go next. Here we can see that you can either include only ongoing events, either the expired events, which is not that reasonable, or all of them. Again, next we will need to copy this and then go to pages. So let's name this page as well. So it's event page, and then let's paste it and see how it works, and just preview. And here you can see our event page ready. So we've got the dummy event 1, dummy event, and this self-care appreciation that we've just created. But that's not it. Modern Events Calendar just does not stop amazing me. If you go to their add-ons page, here you can see the various useful add-ons that they've got here. Plenty of options to choose from. So they've got this useful advanced map feature. So now instead of Google Maps, you can use this OpenStreetMap and add new features such as street, region, and other detailed information. You can also have this advanced reports add-on activated and enjoy the advanced reports on your events to better manage them next time. Then you can have this fluent view layouts. You can have this virtual events add-on, which will turn your events into virtual ones. You can have this waiting list add-on activated, which will help you bring out other people if someone cancels their appointment, for example. They've got this Zoom integration, advanced location, advanced importer, and many other add-ons that you will just enjoy. That's it about Modern Events Calendar that will take your event management to the next level. And if you want to try it out yourself, then just follow the link in the description below and explore the features that it offers. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to not miss out of any of our upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye!